5 tips and tricks for beginners in Premiere Pro. Number 5, the loop playback feature. Once you have the clips in your timeline, go to the button editor and grab the loop playback button and drag it to the toolbar below it. Press the loop playback button and you will tell that this feature is active because the icon will be blue. Place your in and out points in the timeline and you will then see your timeline loop. To disable this, all you have to do is press the loop playback button again. Number 4, Workspaces button. If you're ever in a situation where you accidentally move or delete a panel, all you have to do is go to the Workspaces button in the right corner of Premiere Pro, then click on Reset to save layout, and this will restore your workspace. Number 3, closing gaps in the timeline. Whenever you have multiple gaps in the timeline and you want to close them all quickly, all you have to do is go to Sequence, Close Gap, and this will bring all of your clips together and close all gaps in the timeline. Number 2, flipping a clip in Premiere Pro. Have the clip that you want to flip in your timeline and go to the Effects panel. Then go to the search bar in the Effects panel and type in Flip. You should see the effect called Horizontal Flip, and you're going to take this effect and drag and drop it to the clip that you want to flip, and now your footage is horizontally flipped. If you want to undo this, press Command Z on a Mac or Control Z on a Windows computer, and if you want to vertically flip your clip, you would use a vertical flip effect and drag and drop it to your clip. Number 1, muting audio while scrubbing. Ever get tired of hearing the audio while scrubbing through your timeline? To turn this setting off, all you have to do is go to the Premiere Pro tab, go to Settings, Audio, then go to Play Audio while scrubbing, and turn the setting off by unchecking it. And these are 5 tips and tricks for beginners in Premiere Pro. Like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, and I'll see you on the next one.